would you do anything differently? Sorry, I've been constantly targeting the postgraduate and undergraduate students. Please don't feel that I have some animosity towards academicians and the industry.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
I understood by the presentation that you are pointing out that there is lack of awareness among the students and what to do. Can you just suggest how to improve that awareness about
Fair. The best way is to give an example. I'll take a student's example and then I'll take a college-going student's example. College-going age group's example. A student in Bangalore in class 11, when we were talking to her, she was in science stream in class 11. And she said she wanted to be a journalist. And studying science was actually coming in her way. And she said she was in science stream because she was a good student in science in class 10. Just asked her, have you heard of National Geographic? Or say a BBC or Discovery Channel? And do you think a science specialization, if you were to be a journalist in each of these journalistic pursuits, is going to help you? Now she knew National Geographic, she didn't have to introduce National Geographic. But was she questioning? Was she connecting? There's no additional information. There's one level of problem. Well, are we questioning why we are doing whatever we are doing? Step 1. Step 2. First year information science batch. Let me ask one direct question. Yesterday I asked once again your professors, what is the difference between computer science and information science? How many computer science students are there? Here. Please put up their hands. How many information science students are there? Anybody? At least we have some professors. Ravi is definitely a information science. How many? So what's the difference between computer science and information science? Actually, we asked the same question to this batch of students who just about completed 1 year. Nothing. Same subjects. So why did you create information science? Just for the heck of it. So once again back to the prose and the poetry example. If you see that people are learning English and grammar, then whether you will say they are the same. But when you see the application side, you realize there's a difference. So you have to see the application side. So going back to this particular example, so we asked the students another question. How many of you have been in engineering stream because you wanted it? 40% of the class said. Finally they said they were here because they wanted. 60% of the class said they were there not because they wanted. They said, how do you feel about engineering? They said they are disgusted. So we gave them an example of they said, now that you're discussed with engineering, we're not going to talk about engineering anymore. So we're talking about some music jukebox application. And how the jukebox can intelligently learn who likes what music based on which friends network he creates and all that. And we said, if suppose you were to be working for a company which is making this jukebox, how many of you would like to work for this company? Majority, 100% said they would like to work for this company. Then we asked a question. Who is working for this company? What do you think should their education be? Surprisingly, we all discovered it should be information science. And we said, what are you? All of them are information science students. How come when you like a job that you be information science specialist and you are studying information science and you are disgusted with information science? The problem is correct. Now, can a teacher go and tell? No. But then, is anything stopping a student from going and finding out that there is a jukebox at all? Or finding out what do people do? Why we have databases got created? If suppose I'm reading database. Why was there a need to have a BCNF? Why was there stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4? Am I questioning? Am I thinking? So many other things, except that probably encouraging students. And probably even, I would say, even you have to provoke their thinking. But then that provoking the thinking part largely lies in the target audience themselves. Otherwise, you can't teach everything to everyone. They have to. So this learning has to be your own trait. You need to have enough curiosity to know why you are learning whatever you are learning. And it's not extraordinary. Once again, if you go to class 9 batch, why go that far? Just about 10 years back in Hyderabad, we asked the class 9 batch, students of class 9, why do you draw circles? Or why do you have a compass? They said we have a compass because we need to draw circles. Because we need to draw circles. They said we draw circles because our teacher has said. So we asked, why did your teacher ask you? When you given them an assignment, please go and find out why has your teacher asked you to draw circles. What happens if you suddenly stop drawing circles? They try to find out. If at all I meet you again, I'll share those answers. But yeah, you have to ask, you have to question, why are you studying computer networks? Why are you studying a computer network book which has been written 30 years back and the whole industry seems to be got some 15 times over at the same time? You have to study. But then, what is the missing information? Would you like to go and find out? Gap. Sure, if students say, look, we want to go and find out, we don't know whom to access, then we have NGOs like ours, junior achievement, all that they do is get an industry professional, put them in the class, and just speak. Of course, we do something much more than that. But we do that. So these kind of symposia are good. But, you know what? You could have made much more. You have asked questions. Today, the questions have not come. But the questions will come if you have enough curiosity, if you have researched. Then you can use this fora and platforms for developing more information on those questions. Anything else?
I have a question.
Sure. Sure.
Good ergonomic behavior and bad ergonomic behavior. Ergonomic behavior.
Oh.
Say in a democratic team and a chief programmer team, of a set of software engineers and chief programmer team have a hierarchy.
So in fact, you have to explain to me, because I have an understanding of economy. So you will have to explain to me what is economy as for you.
Now in terms of see now there is a recession in America, right? Recession in America. They say that in India we have public sector undertakings which are doing quite well. So because of which our country is surviving. And now in America they are trying banks for them also.
Right.
So how do you correlate if we have a tie-up with the public sector undertakings, software industry undertakings, software?
I'm not sure. It might be possible. Yes.
Because
there are lots of questions that you raised, and so there are lots of questions that you